China. So we want to convey this message to the Chinese delegation that Tibetan people will continue to resist, will continue to fight.
You can clearly see the entire Majnu Ka Tila, if we talk about, has been barricaded, and inside I am showing you the dramatic visuals where you can clearly see all these Tibetans that have been protesting. You can see them, present here in huge number and in fact holding posters and banners against China.
लेकर के लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं और काफी बड़ा आपको फ्लैग देखने को मिलेगा.
Tibetan community staged protests in New Delhi, where Chinese Premier Li Qiang is set to arrive for the G20 summit.
इससे आगे उन्हें नहीं जाने दिया जाएगा.
Some breaking news as well ahead of India's G20 power play. The Tibetan community is holding a protest against China in the national capital. This regarding what they call the
China के गुलाम शोषण, China ने हमारे देश के ऊपर कब्जा किया. Xi Jinping came or not, but there is a delegation from the China. So we want to convey this message to the Chinese delegation that Tibetan people will continue to resist, will continue to fight.